my friends and family on YouTube. What is up, y'all? I have been gone for a minute, so I had to come back and bring y'all a video that I know you guys love to watch. I'm doing one of the most requested and also watched videos on my channel. And also because I absolutely love it myself. Duh, who does a video that they don't love? So I'm bringing you guys another beach curl. Now, the only difference between this and the other two videos that I did on beach curl is that this beach curl is 18 inches. So the other beach curls that I have shown you guys is only 12 inches. So they stop about like right here. And I'll post some videos of the 12-inch beach curl when I'm done with that. I love beach curl. It's one of my favorite hairs, but I want to try it in a little bit longer. So y'all sit back, rock with me, and let's see how this 18 inches of beach curl turns out. Go ahead and get started. As you can see, my braid pattern, let me pull this up a bit. My braid pattern is just a straight to the back, nothing special. And I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these braids into the braids. And that's just to get rid of them so they're not hanging in the back of my head. So as you know, guys, I always do the 2 spaces in between each piece of hair just so I won't run out of hair. You never know if you have enough and you don't want to take a chance. I only have 4 bags and I don't want to take a chance of running out, so I am going to space it and then I'll go back and fill it in as needed. When I get little bitty pieces like this, I do put these to the side because these will be my front pieces. I'll try to put the bigger pieces in the back and the smaller pieces in the front. Again, you do not want that tension on the front of your hair. I might even separate this a bit more if I see that this piece is still too big for the front of my edges. Okay guys, this is 1 bag. So that's not bad. I actually opened up another bag and started in it, but it's pretty much 1 bag. Is it dark, y'all? Let me turn the light up some more. Let's go. Me down 3 bags. Now mind you, remember how I said I still put the small pieces to the side? This is how much I have left from each bag that I put the small pieces to the side, and then I have 1 full bag left. And this is how much I have hair left. It's not heavy. This hair is very, very light. That's one thing I do like about this hair. It's feather light. And it's just pretty. I wish I would have gotten the OT30 and the OT27. This is just the OT27, which is more of a blonde. I wish I would have got the burgundy color too to kind of mix it in. If you watch my other videos, I always normally get the OT27 and the OT30, and that gives me that mix of those colors that I love. But they only had the 27, I think, or I only ordered. No, I think what it was is they sell it in packages. So I'm gonna drop below in the description section of where I got this hair from, which is Amazon, but I'll put exactly the site that you can go directly to this hair. And I think they sell it in like 4, 6s and different packs. So I was only able to get this color. You can't mix the colors in packs.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves every day. rainy Sunday afternoon. I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer.
So basically, I'm done now, guys. I just like to go back through, like I told you, and kind of feel for those spaces that are really big since I have a good maybe 5 pieces left. 5 pieces left. I can find a place to put those in my head somewhere. If this is the amount of hair that you okay with having in your head, 4 bags is exactly what I use. 4 packs, 4 bags, whatever. I like my hair thick, y'all. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces that I'm about to kind of feel through my head. Another thing that I'll do is kind of like break the hair apart, because you don't want like hair just hanging off. And I'll pull off like the excess hair hanging off. Just kind of go through it nicely, finger it, and get all that extra hair. The big spot right here that I need to fill some hair in. One right here, but I'm not sure if I want to do that when I'm trying to find something more in the front first. This, guys, is the complete look. I am officially done. I love it. I love it, y'all. So like I said again, one of my favorite hairs. You cannot go wrong with Beach Curl. It is perfect for the summer, perfect for the winter, perfect for the spring, perfect for the fall. You cannot go wrong with Beach Curl. This is a hair that you can wear all year round. Main reason why I love this hair so much, like I said, because it's so soft. I mean, who wants crunchy, hard hair? This hair is so soft. I haven't styled it yet. I haven't cut the ends off yet. This is just purely me finishing it and coming to show you guys without doing nothing to it. This is how easy this hair is. So if you're looking for some hair that's gonna fit any occasion, it can be dressy, it can be a casual, it can be a gym look. This is it. This is your hair. If you're looking for a hair that's gonna be not too heavy in the summertime, not too hot in the summertime, this is it. Beach Curl is my go-to for everything. So one thing you want to make sure you do when you have this hair is you want to, over days, just cut the excess hair like this off. So just take it and I'll just kind of clean it up like this. So I'll just go through it off. And that just keeps it clean looking. Then kind of just like pull it like this, and then find these kind of pieces that's like stuck together like this. Try not to cut the hair. Cut all of the excess hair off. That's what'll make it look raggedy fast. Some days is worse than other ones. Today is not really bad. I see a bit. But it's not as bad. Some days it gets really, really bad. If you don't do it for a few days, it can look really bad. So you want to make sure you kind of keep up on it. You see how it's sticking together? So I kind of just go through it and cut. Pull it apart. Make sure you kind of go through it and pull it apart. Like all of this. Wash that piece. especially in the back of your head where you lay at. A lot of it gets matted in the back. So that's the stuff, guys, that's gonna make the hair look old a lot sooner. So you gotta cut that off. It's not real hair, so it definitely will get frizzy. But you can make this as best as you can. All right, guys, I am headed to the gym. Just wanted to show you that. Later. So we are now at 4 weeks, guys. If you made it this far in the video, I know you absolutely, like me, love this hair and wanted to see how it turns out after wearing it for a while. So again, this is 4 weeks. The hair is definitely sticking together a lot more, as you can see here. But it's really easy maintenance, ladies. You just simply go through it, pull it apart, and then cut the excess hair. Do that throughout the whole head, back, front, and both sides. The goal is to definitely cut off as much of that tangled hair as possible. Sometimes you'll even find that it's at the top of the head, so you want to check the top of your head to make sure you cut off all of that extra hair. So this part can be a little time consuming, but I mean, it's not really a hard thing to do. It's really simple. This is my gel in the bag. We are headed to Los Angeles, California to go to the football stadium. And I didn't want to bring a whole big jug of gel, so I decided to put some in the bag to lay down those wild edges of mine. Making sure that your front looks as smooth as possible, since the hair is getting old, is very important. This will help the hair look a lot more vibrant, a lot more not old. So you definitely want to make sure you contain those edges as much as possible. I do have a lot of hair around my face, fortunately and unfortunately, so I have to make sure I lay that down as smooth and as nice as possible. You know me, if you watch my channel, I don't do all the, I try to, but I'm not really good at doing all the swoopies and the cute side edges that everybody else does. So I just do as much as I can. Don't worry about my son. He has a car seat, but he's not in it because we are riding so long that we just like let him loose sometimes, because it gets really annoying being stuck down in that seat. Is that safe? No, but we take our time and we put him back in the seat as needed, but he does get a little break out of the seat so he can kind of move around and stretch his legs, and you know. But yeah, so back to this hair, and as you can see, I am trying to lay it down a bit. So this is the best that I have for these edges. I'm happy with it, as you can see here, and I'm gonna try to do a little bit more, like some eyelashes and some blush, just to give myself a little more of a vibrant look, because clearly I'm looking a little dry. I normally get my eyelashes from TJ Maxx because they are very cheap and I can buy a bunch of them at one time. I'm not really one that likes eyelashes. I think they're adorable wearing them, but when I'm done looking cute for the day, I want them off my face, so I buy the ones that I can take off at night. And I also use the regular glue that comes with the eyelashes, not the one that usually comes in the pack, because that one is usually white and I hate the white eyelash glue. So I'll purchase the black one, and I think it's Ardell if I'm not mistaken. I think that's the brand. Because of the fact that it's black and it sticks, but it's so easy to get some oil and take off. I don't like a lot of glue because I don't like them to stay on past the evening that I'm wearing them or the day that I'm wearing them. So it works out perfect. Thanks so much, guys, for sticking with me. Although I have not been producing videos, I'll have plenty more coming soon. Don't forget to like while you're here. That really helps out my channel. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button and share. Share. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys next time.